In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop the Grafana server on Windows. If you need to pause Grafana for maintenance, to apply updates, or just to free up resources, while you're not using dashboards, there are two simple ways to stop it, depending on how you started it. I'll walk you through both and give you a few helpful tips along the way so you know exactly what to expect. First, let's cover the most common setup, where Grafana runs as a Windows service. To get there, press the Windows key and R together to open the Run dialog. Type services.msc and press Enter. This opens the Services console, which lists all background services on your system. Give it a moment to load, then scroll through the alphabetical list until you find Grafana. The name will include Grafana, and it's usually easy to spot. Once you've located it, right-click the entry and choose Stop. Windows may ask for permission. Approve it if prompted. The service status will switch from running to stopped. That's your confirmation that the server has been shut down. If the stop option is grayed out, that typically means it's already not running. If it takes a few seconds, that's normal. Windows is closing connections and shutting the process down cleanly. Now, if you started Grafana manually from a command prompt using grafana-server.exe, the process is tied to that command window. In this scenario, stopping the server is as simple as closing the command prompt window where Grafana is running. If Windows asks you to confirm closing a running application, go ahead and confirm. The moment that window closes, the Grafana process ends and the server stops. Keep in mind that any active sessions in Grafana will be disconnected at that point. So it's a good idea to make sure no one is in the middle of a change before you close it. A quick recap. Use the Services console if Grafana is installed and running as a Windows service. Open it with Windows key plus R, type services.msc, find Grafana, then right-click and choose Stop. If you launched Grafana via grafana-server.exe in a command prompt, simply close that command prompt window to stop it. Either way, the result is the same. The Grafana server will shut down cleanly and stop accepting connections. And that's how you stop the Grafana server. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.